Namaste. Today we will study about the electrophoresis. So let's see the application of electrophoresis. Electrophoresis refer to the movement of dispersed or colloidal particles which are suspended in a fluid due to their interaction with an electric field which is spatially uniform. Some important application of electrophoresis are given here. You can see application of electrophoresis in DNA fragmentation and DNA analysis. One of the most important application of the electrophoresis lies in DNA analysis and the study of DNA fragments known for the con- uh, consistency of the negative charge it hold. DNA is affected by the presence of an electric current under the pressure extended by an electric field on it. DNA breaks down into large and small pressure exerted by the electric field on it. DNA break down into large and small fragments. This occurs because the different fragments of the DNA are affecting by different scales by the electric current. Now, a test medium is employed to freeze the separate fragment of the DNA strand. Then the electric field is removed and the fragments are studied under the relatively high resolution. Application of electrophoresis in the protein detection. Electro Immunoelectrophoresis, which is a relatively common type of electrophoresis, can be employed in order to analyze the existence of specific protein and their chemical behavior in the certain environment. The formation of a irregular protein molecule can be triggered due to the several medical conditions such as kidney failure, multiple sclerosis, and certain type of cancer. These irregular protein can be detected with the help of electrophoresis on the blood or urine sample and subsequently checking the result for any deviation from standard protein amount and form. Immunoelectrophoresis may also be used in order to detect the particular protein that are commonly referred to as immunoglobulin. Next is the application of electrophoresis in the testing of antibiotics. Electrophoresis is known to play a variety of important functions during the testing of antibiotics. Some of the most popular application of electrophoresis in this field are in the testing of antibiotic and their purity. Throughout the application of electrophoresis to a solution which contain the antibiotic in the form of paper strip which is impregnated with the antibiotic or a capillary that is filled with the drug, the antibiotic can be differentiated from an impurities that may be present. Here, the electrophoresis is also incredibly used in the determination of the strength of the antibiotic, which is of the vital importance when it comes to the administration of the extract doses. The field of antibiotic research share common ground with the field of genetic testing. Therefore, the electrophoresis may also help in the discovering of genes that can indicate resistance to particular antibiotics. Apart from these application, electrophoresis also find the use in the test of the vaccine. To learn more, you can see the important concept of the analytic chemistry and the electrophoresis in the above slide which we have given previously. So hope you will like the video. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.